Hello everyone, welcome back to Trends and Support. So tomorrow the expiry day, the big day, and day after tomorrow we will have a holiday. So it might be a good volatility day tomorrow expiry. So let's check the expiry games and expiry options combo, then the expiry movement. So today, as expected, we will have some gap up open, then almost same like what to call open low. Then later on, it's slightly come down and test the support. That means around 24 540 range. Then bounce back. In the live market, I already mentioned our targets around 24 625 and 662 range. So we had a range of high made at 24664. That's almost same as what I mentioned in the chart in the live market. So now you can see this is the crucial point. That means 24 6 44 45 range. It's a crucial point for upside. Once we sustain above this one, mostly we will hit around 24 720. In between we have a slightly resistance in 24 680. So you can note this range, and this one will go this way. So once we cross this one, that means 24 726, then we will have a good upside moment. That means it will go towards 24 795 to here 795 to 800 range. And you can see this this is a what to call you can see the formation is like the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So if we follow this one, then we will have a good upside from here. That means once we cross this 24 7 790 95 or 800 above, once we sustained above this one in the closing basis tomorrow, then we will have an upside moment towards here. That means the pattern completion is here this way. So it might go towards here, that is around 24 930 to 940 range, then 25,000. So the pattern completion is around 24 930 to 950 range. And if we not cross this, that means if we not sustain this 24 645 range, so then it may be slip to downside. That means the next support here around 24 540 range. So this, if this one is not hold also, that's 24 5 35 to 40 range not hold, then we will have to slip. That means we may see around 24 480, and this may leads towards 24 440 range, 444 range. So the expiry mostly here, that means it can test here, that means 24 480 to 24 440, otherwise 24 725 to 726 to 24 795. So I am expecting both this range here or otherwise here or here. So we have to be now I am going to check this options chart. That's so I prepared this 24 400 600 options chart. So this is 24 600 options chart. You can see the CE call option. Now it's almost near the support here. This is the support of call option, that means 67 range. If this one tomorrow not hold this 64, then this may come down here. That means 47, then 31, then it can go to 17. Or if it's go upward, then here from here, if it's slightly come down here, then if this one can spike this way, that means around 115 134, then it can move to 170 plus. So it's all depend on the movement. The range I mentioned here will change because of the what to call in the expiry moment. That means once the live market, the range will change because of the moment. So this may comes this way, that means 105 above, this may get a breakout, and this 134, then it can move to 170 plus. So if it's come down here, then it's slowly moving, then it might be go to 0. So now let's go to check the PE options. That means 24600 PE. So 24600 PE, now the support is around 14. If we cross or sustain below this, that means 12, then it's mostly go to 0. Here this is 28 range, we will have another support. So if we support hold this one, then this may bounce back to 60 to 63, then 80, then it can go to 120 range, 118 to 120 range. So this can bounce back this way. Otherwise, if cross this 11 and sustain below, then it go to 0. So tomorrow you can check this movement of Nifty, and at the money call and put option you have to buy for combo. So that means for combo options you have to buy at the money. That most of the time the combo will active around 40 to 50 range. So you need to wait for that one to activation. That otherwise it may in the starting time it may be somewhere else around 60 or 65. You can wait better. So otherwise the premium will erode. So around 40 to 50 range, if we get this combo, then you can take for the trade. So this one I just give you for example, and this is not limit. That means the both call and put. I gave the upper side and lower side, okay, but upper side resistance. So it can change according to this movement. So if the Nifty move around 100 to 150 points, that means this call and put will be move more what we expected. So it might go to one side, maybe 150 to 200 points. So you can act accordingly. So I already given this target, that means support and resistance of Nifty. So for booking your profit, you can go through that resistance and support given levels. So you can book accordingly. Now we can go to check Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty is still the same. That means 55,000 around the support, and this is the resistance around here. That means 55,500. And above we cross this one, we will have an upside towards 55,700, and the next target now 55,888 range. And the downside now the support is here, and the lower support will come down around 54,890 range. Then this can be 54,730 range, that is around here. So this can move this way, otherwise this can move this way. So let's see tomorrow which side it can move, this side or this side. So that's it for Bank Nifty. So hope you enjoy this video and you got some idea about this Nifty and Bank Nifty moves. If it's helpful, and you can trade according to that. You can share this video to your friends, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.